Namaste everyone. Welcome to another episode of Athreya Ayurveda, where it's all about Ayurvedic health and Ayurvedic learning. This time I'm going to show you a cough remedy. It has honey and only 3 ingredients. I'm going to take a dash of clove. It's good for the throat. Then I'm going to take a quarter of turmeric. Helps in immunity. And a dash of pepper. And we're gonna mix them all. See all the vibrant colors ready to mix. I'm now gonna add honey into it. And we're gonna mix it all. Now I've finished mixing. See the yummy paste. It might be a little spicy. I feel it working in my throat, removing all the cough I had. You know what to do? Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below. Athreya family.